The science of radiation, atomic change, and nuclear fission was developed from 1895 to 1945, much of in the last 6 of those years. During World War II, most nuclear development was focused on the atomic bomb. Since 1956, the prime focus has been on the technological evolution of reliable nuclear power plants. Uranium was discovered in 1789 by a German chemist. In 1902, Ernest Rutherford showed radioactivity as a spontaneous event, emitting an alpha or beta particle from the nucleus created a different element. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered the neutron. Physicist Enrico Fermi discovered the potential of nuclear fission in 1934. On December 2, 1942, he created the first controlled, self-sustaining nuclear reaction. The largest producers of nuclear power are the U.S., France and Japan. Nuclear power provides around 20% of the electricity used in the U.S. There are over 400 nuclear power reactors in use around the world. A nuclear fission power plant uses the heat generated by a nuclear fission process to drive a steam turbine which generates usable electricity. A nuclear power plant must have control, safety, refueling, waste production, and efficiency. When an atom of nuclear fuel, uranium, absorbs a neutron, the uranium will fission into 2 smaller atoms, waste, and release 1 to 3 neutrons. The kinetic energy of the waste is used to heat the water for the steam turbine. The neutrons are used to fission the next lot of uranium atoms and the process continues. If none of these neutrons are absorbed by another uranium atom, then the reaction dies out. If too many neutrons are absorbed, then the reaction grows extremely quickly and could explode. Pressurized water reactors keep water under pressure so that it heats, but does not boil. This heated water is circulated through tubes and steam generators, allowing the water in the steam generators to turn to steam, which then turns the turbine generator. Water from the reactor and the water that is turned into steam are in separate systems and do not mix. In boiling water reactors, the water heated by fission actually boils and turns into steam to turn the turbine generator. In both pressurized water reactors and boiling water reactors, the steam is turned back into water and can be used again in the process.